Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In this video, we're going to be doing a multicolor whipping, which is especially suitable for representing various flag colors. The way that I made this sort of a whipping is to stack 3 common whippings, one next to the other, in a rather unique way. To demonstrate, I'm going to grab 3 pieces of microcord in different colors. Each piece, in my case, is 2 feet long. To demonstrate, I also prepared a short piece of rope, 3/8 of an inch in diameter. To start our whipping, we fold our cords into a bight. We place our bight onto the spot where we want our whipping. We grab the long working end of our first color, start wrapping around everything from right towards the left. We're going to do a set number of turns, in my case 5. Then feed your working end bottom up through the bight of the same color. Pull on the standing end, bringing your working end to the center of your wrapping turns. Pull on both ends to further secure this color. Pull out the working end of your second color. Fold it into a bight. Start wrapping around from right towards the left, around everything, for a set number of turns, in my case 5. Then feed your working end bottom up through your bight. Pull in your working end by pulling on the standing end, bringing the working end to the center of the wrapping turns, then pull on both ends, further securing this color into place. Then pull out the working end of your final color. Again, we're going to form a bight. Start wrapping around everything for a set number of turns. In my case, a total of 5. Feed your working end bottom up through your bight. Pull the working end under your wrapping turns by pulling on the standing end. Pull on both ends, further locking this color into place. Then line up your 3 colors. Continue tightening up. The result should look something like this. really make sure that the two ends are at the center here under the whipping. When done, trim your ends as close to the whipping as possible. Apply a bit of heat to further shrink your whipping, securing it further into place. If desired, very carefully push these ends here under the whipping. So guys, that's our multicolor decorative whipping. Thank you very much for joining me today and see ya next time.